Let's go.
It's another K-Town beat.
Y'all see the time, it's 9:28, you know what I mean? I gotta come do a house call. You know, this how I get ready to do a house call. You see that right there, that's the sign, that's the logo right there, you know what I'm saying? Pull up so you can see it a little better. At night it turned white, but it's, you know what I'm saying, it's black in the daytime. But I just wanted to show y'all a little something, you know how I get prepared them. So right now, so look, YouTube, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner. Look, I just came to the shop just to show y'all real quick. I'm about to go do a house call on your boy Funny Mike. If you know Funny Mike, he from Wildin' Out. It's only a couple people really can get me to come out the house this late on a Sunday, but you know, he real cool people. You know what I'm saying? He showed me love. You know what I'm saying? Never switched up on me. So you know, I got my little cases down here. Check me out. So we go with the gold today. You know what I'm saying? We do that. Show y'all like some of the stuff that I put in my kit, just to get ready. You know, things like that. And then, you know, at the end of the video, I'll show you like his haircut. I might not show me actually cutting his hair the whole time, you know, the whole haircut. But I definitely give him the talk at the end. You definitely get to see some of that. I'm gonna pull up on him at Corey house. If you don't know who Corey is, Corey and Carmen, Corey Pritchard, CJ So Smooth. You know, them are people too. So, you know what I mean? But stay tuned. I'm about to show you something. I'm about to get this stuff together. Then I'm gonna show you my box. So this is my case right here. I got, you know, my gauze right there. I got a few cleaning, you know, little stuff I spray on people hair. Let me show you that. That's a tea tree wave refresher. And then this right here is a mint condition. Make your hair feel tingly, you know, kind of like medicated. I got some razors right there if I need them, some neck strips. I got some alcohol in here, some little color I use right here. Also, I got my magic clip, my Bablis Rose Gold FX Flash. These the trimmer, this the clipper. You know, I got some holding spray right here. I got some color if I need it. I got my razor right here if I need it. Got an extra brush. You know, these are just the essentials. Then I got an extra cape over here. I got my cape and, you know, my apron and things like that. So that's the kit. That's how we do it. If y'all haven't seen the shop, this is just a little glimpse of the shop. We got the air compressor right there. You know, we got the Nipsey picture. We got Tupac picture. You know, we got James Harden over there. You know, we got Mike Tyson over there. We got all the Rocket teams over there. You know, this just these stations. The chairs are red. You know, red my favorite color. So, you know, we got going on like that. So, you know what I mean? That's just a glimpse of the shop. So, I'll be back and I'm about to head out.
I've been so sentimental.
Can I tell her next?
Damn, man. Noodles.
Beck really got that fresh cut.
That's right, man.
Russia.
Russia.
Yeah, I know the time it is. Mr. Outliner, man. Make sure y'all get chopped up. Real. Yeah. There you go.
He got his haircut. Ooh, aight.
Yeah, boy, you better look at the camera like you on TV.
You're alive. Shot yourself out, man. Shot yourself
Huh?
Stop moving, bro.
Stop me taking a picture, man.
I'm gonna do your little thing, man.
No, Jesus.
Mr. Liner, Outliner, the trollers want to know that you're only good because you use enhancements or fibers or whatever you call it, a lot of spray paint. You do a lot of this, sir. What is that? What is that about? Is that why you're good? Is that why your liners are crispy? The trollers want to know. What do you have to say for yourself? And I told you, man, don't spit on me, bro. Man, it's 2019. Who ain't using fibers? Who ain't using enhancements? Who ain't doing it, man? If you ain't doing it, then you ain't getting money the way you should be. And ain't good. You know what I'm saying? Ain't good. You feel me? Ain't good. So for me, I do instead of ain't. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I do. You know, so I do a lot of that. You know what I mean? So ain't good, so I do a lot of this. Yeah, I do that. So anyway, man, next question. By the way, man, tell a friend, you know how we do it. Let's go. Aha. Next question. The trollers, meaning we, believe that the YouTubers you cut are whack. Also, you use those guys to boost your image. What do you have to say about that, Mr. Outliner? Stop speaking, bro. Who don't want to see their favorite YouTuber get cut? Man, what I tell you about ain't, man? I just told you, man, who don't want to see their favorite YouTuber get cut? They come in, they ask for the Chris Sales. They come in, they ask for the Corey. The CJ so smooth, man. You know what I'm saying? They come in, they ask for the King Kaiser, the Jordan Lacey, man. They ask for this thing, man. You know, they ask me about the, you know, the Yungeen Ace. You know what I'm saying? Like, they ask for that stuff, man. Like, what are you supposed to do? Like, who wants to just watch nothing? You know what I mean? So I give them something to watch. You know, I post some of the people I cut and other people I cut. To me, all my people are celebrities. So, hey, man, what is these questions? These trollers, man, the trolling is trolling out of control. The trolling is trolling out of control, man. Like, come on, man. Next question.
It's another K-Town beat.